I'm Rinki. My first achievement was when I participated in an inter-college dance competition with my fellow college mates and we came second, I guess. And we were not prepared, it was very unexpected. My favorite childhood memory would be, so when I was young, I used to sleep with my dad, and I have a habit of keeping my legs over the person who's sleeping next to me. So I just kicked him out of the bed, and the irony is that I didn't even wake up after doing that. One thing that changed my life would be when I shifted alone with my brother. The best day of my life would be when I got a job in Ubisoft. One thing that I love to do is obviously dance. Like, I'm known for that, I guess. So yeah, bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Debalina and I'm Shelly's friend. Hope all of you are coping with the current scenario. First achievement for me was the joy of getting a pack of fruity and a cupcake after reciting a poem in Silchar radio station when I was 6 or 7 years old. After that, I think rest all the achievements are just for surviving in this competitive world. Then best childhood moment was baking a big cake during my birthdays with Chidda in oven and that excitement of preparations of birthday and when after Ryan was born, life has changed in many ways, and best day of my life is 2018 28 March when Ryan came in our lives. Last thing, as you said, which I love doing. I love doing a lot of things like cooking, reading good books, then watching good movies, traveling, spending quality time with near and dear ones, exploring good food joints. As you know, I'm a big time foodie. I hope this is going to suffice, and rest. All of you, please take care. Bye bye. Thanks, Shelly.
Hi everyone, I'm Sharmishta. I'm doing this video just for you, Shelly, and appreciate your work which you are doing to spread positivity during this pandemic. Keep doing it. So my first achievement will be the day I got my first salary and which I gave it to my mom. Then best memorable childhood moments, I'd say those festival times, during Rath Yatra, my father used to make small chariots so that we can pull it, and during the Dashera time he used to make effigy of Ravana, and we used to burn that with firecrackers. So those are beautiful memories which I will never forget, and those things are to be cherished lifelong. Then coming to one moment that changed my life, I would say there are many, but I'd like to share two of them. The day I became a wife and a mother. Then best day is obviously my wedding day, the day I got married to a wonderful person, Debashish. And things I love to do, there are a lot of things like gardening, dancing, singing, and doing voluntary services which give me immense pleasure, and cooking, trying out different cuisines, and baking for my family. That's it. Thank you. Bye.
First achievement was being elected the school pupil leader of my school, Kamal School, Tikboy. Most memorable childhood moment was spending time with my maternal and grandma and grandpa. Never saw a moment with them. A day that a moment that changed my life would be the birth of my firstborn, my son. I was no longer me, I had become a mother. It was a very scary yet a very invigorating feeling. Best day, there are many best days, but one that I can recall now would be talking to Dan Brown, the celebrated American author who has written blockbuster novels like The Da Vinci Code and Inferno. The most favorite thing that I love to do is singing. It's very therapeutic for me, and it stirs up my soul and is an indispensable part of my life. Love, light and laughter.
Achievement was the amount of remuneration which I earned out of my hard work, and the childhood memory is the day I got admitted in this school, and the very moment I started understanding and realizing that I can do work through means things soulfully has changed my life, and I hardly discriminate days as the best days because all the days are best for me. And currently, out of all my favorite things, I love to spend time with my son, playing with them. Thank you very much and stay positive and healthy. Thank you.